Today we will show you how to install this handle lock into the door. First, you need to make holes into the door. For making holes, you need some tools such as this one. Using this tool, you will make holes into this area. To insert screws into this hole, you will make these two holes into the door on both sides. To make these holes, you need a drill machine like this. You will use this drill machine to make holes by using this bit. You can also use this bit, specially used for wood to make holes, but this bit is more appropriate. Mr. Shakil is our carpenter. He is installing the door handle lock. First, he has inserted this, then this screw, he is using L key. He is using L key to tighten this screw. You do not need to purchase this L key separately. This L key comes inside the package box of the handle door lock. While he is tightening the screw, I will show you the professional work of Mr. Shakil he has done in our kitchen. We have custom made this kitchen area by joining the kitchen and living area. Mr. Shakil has created this wall border between the kitchen area and the living room. This is the granite slab. Then this rope light, also called strip light, runs all over through the kitchen border. Then on the edges of the border there are concealed decorative lights. Now this handle door lock machine will be inserted into the door, into the front of the door like this. Now I remove it. First we will add some screws. Now he has inserted the door lock machine, and now we will install screws with the drill machine. Now he is inserting the second screw on top of the machine. Now we will insert lock handle into the door like this. The long screws of the lock handle have come out of on the other side of the door. ये थोड़ा बंद कर जी. Now the other side of the lock handle cover will be fitted into the screws. Now the door handle lock is working perfectly. Mr. Shakil, have you installed the door lock?
Yes, it's okay.
Now we will insert keys and it is working perfect. Mr. Shakil, have you installed the door lock?
Yes, it's okay.
Now we will insert keys and the door handle lock is working perfectly. Mr. Shakil has explained how to install the door handle lock. If you like the video, please share it. Thank you so much.